Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to withdraw or transfer your crypto from RONIN Wallet to MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, please check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1000 USDT as a beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your RONIN Wallet. Under the Wallet tab, you click on the transfer button here or select the crypto you want to withdraw. Let me pick RON token. Click the transfer button. Here you paste your external deposit address. In my case, I will use my MEXC account. Make sure you use the same token and network. Copy your deposit address. Go back to RONIN Wallet and paste your deposit address here from MEXC Global. Click Next. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Tap Next. The fee on RONIN network is very cheap. Click Confirm.
Two seconds later.
After a few minutes, I refresh my MEXC account and my deposit has been successfully received. That's how you withdraw crypto from RONIN Wallet to MEXC app. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.